Ja. Oh shit, nu nog bezig met elkaar. Maar ja. Ik kan maar even langs die dingen. I should actually be watching you what you do because the amount of business that that's quite cool. What's that thing? It's like an image. Rubber handed, so.
Oh no, it's just a photo, another photo. Where's the streams?
So,
There we go.
no. That's quite cool.
There's a bit of vacancy over here.
What's that thing? It's like an image. Rubber handed, so.
Oh no, it's just a photo, another photo. Where's the streams? Huh?
So,
There we go.
no. That's quite cool.
There's a bit of vacancy over here.
What's that thing? It's like an image. Rubber handed, so.
Oh no, it's just a photo, another photo. Where's the streams? Huh?
So,
There we go.
no. That's quite cool.
There's a bit of vacancy over here.
What's that thing? It's like an image. Rubber handed, so.
Oh no, it's just a photo, another photo. Where's the streams? Huh?
So,
There we go.
no. That's quite cool.
There's a bit of vacancy over here.
What's that thing? It's like an image. Rubber handed, so.
Oh no, it's just a photo, another photo. Where's the streams? Huh?
So,
There we go.
no. That's quite cool.
There's a bit of vacancy over here.
What's that thing? It's like an image. Rubber handed, so.
Oh no, it's just a photo, another photo.
So, here we go. That's cool. What's that thing? Like an image. Look up a hand and stuff. Oh, no, it's just a photo. So, here we go. That's cool. What's that thing? Like an image. Look up a hand and stuff. Oh, no, it's just a photo. So, here we go. That's cool. What's that thing? Like an image. Look up a hand and stuff. Oh, no, it's just a photo. So, here we go.
That is highly annoying. M3. I needed M3. Damn this, I didn't buy it. Damn it. I don't think I bought it.
I just refreshed it, so it seems good now.
Okay.
after all that, After all that. I need M3 cap block nuts. I don't know. So I can't put it on. I can't physically attach it to the rod. Put it on physically. Hold on. Dino. That is not work. Should we see if we can try and get the motors wired up and get them moving? Cool. I can. This here is small stuff. I can get this sorted out. I can go to EIS later today or this afternoon and get that sorted. But at least we can just check the functionality that everything is actually grafted. One lock nut is not going to stop the whole thing. You know? So. There, and these little screws.
Cool, so to get it wired up, we need to pull out all the drivers. You can do that side first. Now we've got two cameras. You've got yours from the top and we've got mine from there.
Oh, nice.
And now that's what's showing, so then we can just change camera view, just transition.
That's cool.
Now you can make composite scenes as well. So I can make a new scene and just like put this one. Right, where's?
Would it be nice to have this throughout the whole board? Huh?
Yeah, but we know, like for future stuff. I mean, this is
Cool.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. Or let's say we have this is the main one, kind of still, and then this one above it. See, this one above it, and I have like an
That's cool.
And you would like scene in scene.
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
That's very cool.
Then we can do a web, yeah, like I said, like a screen capture at the same time as a separate source.
Okay. This, making sure that everything comes back. We're not gonna strip down to start assembling stuff now. We're just gonna. Motor drivers. Actually, I have to get these things like mounted, like.
I had the thought also with just the original two is maybe to label them,
Yes.
especially since they're having different amperatures and all that.
Yes. So.
Maybe the way I was thinking was like pieces of paper,
Just a sticker.
or
a sticker and you write on a pencil.
like I think I do have a marker, and then put like this. Yeah. I mean, I don't have stickers. Also.
Ah, I do.
Stickers. Do you have stickers?
No. No stickers.
I have sticky tape.
If Chantal was here, I'd probably have stickers. And
Post-its.
huh?
Post-its.
Yeah. It'll work. you have your own YouTube channel?
It's not active. I've put like through the years just different kinds of content and stuff.
Okay. Cool. Right. I think first one. Okay, so what have we actually got wired up here at the moment? This would be for our T-axis here. Okay. Now we can connect this onto just the stepper, which I think it will be fine. So that will work. Just to show us that it's turning, it's moving, which is fine.
I am getting that document for the latest. We are wiring instructions.
Right. I think the first one. Okay, so what have we actually got wired up here at the moment? This would be for our T-axis here. Okay. Now we can connect this. Yeah, so that will at least show us it's turning, and we can at least know what's going on there. So that looks like that. Just to show us that it's turning. I just need to, on Monday I can get that, I can test these things. So we'll be able to, this is voltage 3 amps in. Okay, so did we get a sticker or something?
Supercup, just start with that, I guess. I've got a markers.
Okay. Right, which have we set up? We set up that other one which was a medium size. This of course will be for our T, so our T axis here is coming out on this side here, which is fine. So that there, maybe we just need to extend the cables.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Then I'm sure we can just get some wire, extend them.
Maybe a first start is actually to label the wires. So we like have as a harness coming out,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
then to here, and then that's got each label on it with what the axis is and what the motor is. I know you know what the motor will be, but just for a moment.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
What happened? Did you pick your nose?
No, I didn't pick my nose. Saying if you do. Have a good look at it for the next 10 years.
It's honestly something I don't do often.
Don't you? I do it all the time. Yeah? Really just get up there and have a good
No,
dig.
not even. Like it's when I was a kid, like I used to dig it. Like spend hours, bro.
Hours. Thing just missioning. What's up there?
But it's one of those things that I just outgrew.
You outgrew it. Did you outgrow it? Oh. Oh. Some people
Like biting my nails. I've never had I know people. Some people like it's an addiction. It's a problem.
Yeah.
Camera's coming from there now.
There.
No, I switched it because I'm gonna need my phone.
Okay. No, that's fine. That's all good.
I could need my. Oh no, I don't need my phone. Why don't I? I'm not.
Just it's cool how it's like gripped onto the.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Okay.
Right, so that is set. I'm gonna just label this T-axis. And then
Okay.
I'm gonna. Do you have some scissors so I can actually
Yes.
cut these stickies and only keep the
Oh,
sticky
I
part?
even have. Wait, you're gonna shoot yourself now. Well, I mean, I don't know. My bar for you shooting yourself is obviously a lot lower than what it actually is. But anyway, maybe you'll shoot yourself.
Right, like fucking you.
What?
Can't you hear me? No, I'm talking about what was happening here.
You're picking your nose.
Not picking nose, we used to know. Oh wait, I didn't need my fucking phone. Because of the echo.
But it is funny because you're getting like our commentary after the fact and it's still recording like
Yes.
Oh,
So
man.
it's uploading to YouTube as well as recording.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, and even uploading to YouTube it records it there. So even when the live is finished, that live is saved as a video.
jeez.
Yeah. So actually it can stop recording. But it can also carry on recording. Oh, there we go.
Oh, goodness.
What were you asking for?
You know that guy? We asked for stickers. No, I don't have stickers.
He's like the genie.
Yeah.
What does he do? Like something like that,
I
right?
don't know, but he's like, can I have stickers? You know, that kind of thing. And then like he gave me a fucking notepad. And then afterwards he comes
Wait,
later.
I want them cut up.
And then that's the perfect thing where the guy's like, oh, I've got these as well. You know, cake.
Oh, gosh. Amazing. It's funny, and I've had this shit in my cupboard for years. You know, this is the shit that us men like to carry around with us that never gets used. But now, this project is just giving me the opportunity, you know,
That's out.
to like finally, and now I know why.
Yes, I had these for years. I know I kept them for a reason.
You want water?
I think I'm quite hydrated at the moment. Thank you. All good. Do you know also who you sound like sometimes when we laugh? Have you watched? It's from the. Is it? What's that? Matley. Remember Matley?
Yeah, Mikey, we were talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, dog.
Yeah, the old dog. What was it? Isn't it from Scooby-Doo or something?
No, he's his own thing. He's like part of that old school cartoon.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay. Are you lost? Yeah.
The dastardly dog.
Yeah, I think we both laugh like that. Right, so the media, we can use it as on our axis. Okay. No, actually, because we're going to need one there for the T. That's the T. And the same size motor goes for the B. So we can, but this is actually, this is
Putting all
rated.
of these out. We can, well, then we're good.
Okay. So, because I'm just checking while they're here what's on the dip switches. So what it's set up for, because they will be different settings. It clean. Right, so that's the T. Okay, and we've got 8, 7 and 8 is both down. Those are both 4, 5 and 6 are all both up, 3 is down. 2 is off and 2 is on this one. So what is 2? 2 is on.
Remember on is down, eh?
Naught. On yes, on is down. On is down. Trying to confuse me here. On is down.
You'll know
Because
you.
there's actually a symbol that says arrow on,
Yeah.
down.
You'll know you've made a mistake when you smell burning and you hear crackling and you sound of fire crackling.
Yes, yeah. Generally motor on fire at that time. On the internals. It's great for longevity of the motors when you burn them.
I said I'm sorry.
It's all good. 2's on. So 1.46 and then 3 is on as well. And then 4 is off. So this is going for, I'm going to do this for the R axis. What can you say? We're funny.
We are funny, even more funny on camera. Because then we get to relive the experience, right? It's like, yeah, that was funny. That's funny as shit, man.
U axis, right? U axis. Just a crack out of laughing.
Oh dear. But that's why I get a headache after when I laugh too much.
Are we going to, knowing what we know, are we going to try the L axis?
The L axis.
Yeah.
Which what?
Because that there is most of the weight is on there, and everything.
You mean the thing we were first discussing this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean want to just try it now and just see if it works?
And just see if it works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we'll change the dip switches and just check. And we can just do it. You'll very quickly hear if it works or not. You know, if it moves it or not.
Great.
So I don't see why we shouldn't be able to just do that. And the wires are right here, so you know. I'll just. This thing is not plugged in. Right, safety first.
Yeah.
Check this. Oops. Oh, okay. That also comes in there. Check. Nifty, yeah? I thought that was flipping. I thought that was cool. So tell me, do you have to undo the screw, or are these? Can you actually just put like a little? I didn't bring my transition element.
Shantae says there's not much happening there.
Just a bunch of laughing. And illustration of stickers.
try and wire a big one.
So we're looking for 3 amps. T-axis. Okay, take that off. Plug into that thing. Okay. No, I was just checking if you had plugged into the module. Okay, so we want a total of 3 amps, so maximum 3 amps. But if we leave switch 4 off, it's going to give us half. So we can go to max here, and the max output, oh wait a minute. If we let's
Okay,
just go
are you
to
busy?
2.
You busy wiring that, right?
Yeah.
That arm that you said it was an LX.
I'm gonna just wire up the L. Yeah.
Okay,
So,
but don't you want to do the T first? That one to test it.
well, we know it tests. We know it works.
Oh wait, the L. When you say L, do you mean not the
this
base motor for that? Yes. Okay, that's
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's
Gotcha.
those wires there for that.
Gotcha.
It's almost as though the axis we're gonna wire is controlled by like one below. The motor below that, because of all the internals to get. So the motor to control the U comes from here. Yeah.
Got you. Alright, in the meantime,
So
I'll
one
do that.
is on. That's on, and 3 is off. Okay, I'm gonna put switch 4 off is half current, on is full current. Right, on. So I want it on because I want to get 2.84 amps. Okay, 5 is off, 6 is on. Okay, so we're gonna on. Right, so just double checking this. Switch 1 is on, switch 2 is on, switch 3 is off. Switch 4 to have full current is on, it's down, then it's off, then it's on. Where's the... Sorry, make sure I get the... Stretching here, so did you stop our feed? Did you stop our feed?
No, I just turned the sound off. Wait. Oh, which one is it? No. Oh yeah, from above.
From above. It's cool, man. You should do it where it's like both of them so you can see both. Because then the guys get to see like what I'm doing as well as looking at the robot. I don't know. It's just, there's 2 miles we're using.
There you go. I just transitioned. But then I'll do, but I know what you mean. And then what yeah. This is the one that's live. This is the staging.
Your house is completely live.
Just putting it out there.
Just putting it out.
Do I need to tidy up or?
No, it's not about that.
Should I put a camera in the bathroom?
Yes, well, yeah, I can hear that. was supposed to get those bootless terminals and work to make this a bit easier. Wiring, because none of this needs flipping cables. So that's not one. Let's try the green and black. There we go, there's one coil. And obviously the other one is the other coil. Where's the... What do I do with it? Did you move this piece? The connector?
No.
What did I do? What did I do with it? There it is. It's connected to that one.
Alright. I just need to flash now the...
Have you done any updates to the...
I have. I need to just copy it across.
Okay, that's pretty cool. We can... I see that you've got motor 7 there.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, we just... Yeah.
Well, motor 7 is for the
fine.
gripper. It's for the gripper, so that's perfect.
Okay, so now let me just check from the documents.
Flat screwdriver? Small terminal screwdriver? Small one?
There is a box of small screwdrivers. There is a box here. And here's your terminal.
Thank you. I actually printed some things for these things. Safety first, bro.
Safety first.
That shit goes in there.
Okay, so motor 7 is on pins 5 and 4.
Okay. Oh, when we get there.
You know,
Yeah.
yeah, because that cable for the one we're trying now, is it a long one? From the motor, or is it a short one?
It's a longish one.
Can it reach from there to... Because then if I can have the driver here, I can plug the driver directly into here.
No, it's not that long. It's not that one's not long. The next one is that we can test that motion there. If that does that, which I think it should be able to, that'd be really cool.
But we're going to test this one first.
We're going to test. We're testing the heavy one first, and if that doesn't move, then we know I've got to change that configuration.
Alright, actually then what I can do is I can actually just unplug this, and all this needs is power. So then...
Well, dude, why are you doing that? You've got a long cable. Check how long this thing is. Look.
No, because then it's messy. You don't like messy. Oh, will it reach?
Oh, there.
Okay, yeah.
Well, maybe. I can just move the robot a little bit this way.
Let's try this, because it doesn't have... It's got everything uploaded. That
Oh, so it should be able to... Okay, cool.
And this will be a good opportunity to start getting used to it unplugged from the computer.
100.
Like a device.
Like a proper... Like it should be.
Yeah.
Right, I'll do that shortly. Now, these things plug in. Or there. Kind of voltage is there. So those things go into there like that. So we need one coil. So
Here's an exact working one.
I know that. I understand. I understand that. But I've also got to. Green. Okay, so there. It's one. It's one. Green and black. Green and black. Green and black. 4, 8. When you wired them, did you find it at all? It didn't matter which. Here you've got a positive and a negative, of course, for A and B coil.
Yes. Yes. Okay, but remember, the red one will go to the A plus, and the black one goes to the B minus.
Is it?
Then their pairs go in the other ones. If you know what I mean.
So the red one will
goes into A plus,
and the black one
goes into B minus.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So I've got done it right so far. Is that what you looked up?
That's what I looked up, and that's what how it was wired with the other working ones. Yeah.
Perfect. See, this will give us a good indication of what's going to happen. Okay, where's my driver? R axis, B axis, I'm fine there. Do this. Make up power. Look at the loot. There we go. I like that. That's pretty handy. Right. Let's take that out. Okay, let's wire this thing in. Where's the module? Okay, what pins go to where?
Alright, you can just do in 26 and 27. So 26 is the step pin. We're just going to run it off the motor 1 service. So
yeah, that's fine.
26, and then, I mean, do you want me to step in and wire it?
I'm just checking here how we've got things.
It's very tiny.
Because of course this thing is very tiny.
It's the ones on this side. Okay, so this is what I did. This is what I did previously, just to make things more manageable. Did
you at all create a common so that you take that pin from that side, then create a common on that side, so it's easier to wire?
That's exactly what I did. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
So 26.
Because
That's
all
26 to 26.
Because all of the rails are in like
Yes.
your Y direction.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. I get you.
And then 27 is that one, and then you can see it's numbered here 26 and 27. So then you need ground as well. So then ground is from here, and then I made a separate ground rail here, which is at 19. Okay, now you can link your ground and your 26 and 27. So 26, just as a reminder, is 26 is 2-step.
Okay, so
let me see if I can find a longer. Yes.
26 is then to step, which is then be your pulse plus.
Yes,
right?
sorry, yes, pulse, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, oh, you've got it already. Yeah.
Alright,
So,
so
it's 26
26.
is the inner one.
The inner one,
Yeah.
right? So we just plug that in there, right? Then
The yellow one.
The yellow
Oh,
one.
yes, the yellow one, right, because they've both got positive and negative.
Okay, so now which would be, would
So
they
that's
go?
27, so it will be up here next to it there.
Okay. What is, because this says direction now, hey?
Yeah, exactly. So these two lines are the signal lines,
Okay.
and then both of these go to the same ground.
Oh, they go both? Oh, okay, alright.
Yeah.
So direction, negative, pulse, negative, they both go to ground. Both go to ground.
Yes, both the negatives go to ground, correct, yeah. Alright, now it should work actually.
Okay.
Oh, this needs to be plugged
Yeah,
in.
we just got to plug it in. Right, so we're about to hear either it moves,
What sizzles?
either it moves or just
Are you 100% sure that you've set the amperage correct?
yeah, amperage is sitting at, should be just below maximum, 2.84 amps.
And then you can also still play with the settings though, right, as well? Am I correct in saying that?
What do you mean by the settings? Like I've got the speed set at...
I mean, to make it stronger, the torque.
Yeah, so I've got it on the strongest, the highest torque, because it's the lowest RPM.
Okay.
Yeah. So that should be the case there. I don't know. We just see what happens. Let's just see what
Clip
happens.
power
Just
on.
one of the biggest motors.
Yeah.
There's power's on.
How's that?
Yeah. Things all.
Do you want to do the zap test?
Yeah. We can try it. See what happens. You won't ground because you're wearing shoes.
Yeah?
The guy at work yesterday, I was like, no, if you hold the metal thing here while I'm welding. Just.
Something's moving.
Yeah. Wait.
Sounds like it's struggling.
Your phone is struggling. Jeepers. What happened there?
There we go. No fiddle.
Alright, so it's definitely sending signal.
Okay.
Okay, wait, maybe it's going the wrong direction.
Just hold on. I just want to see. I don't know. Can you check your phone here as right?
No worry, just I've switched it to the other camera.
I don't know. Just hold on to it. I've just got to see which way it's rotating. So.
Okay, I'm going to go on my forward.
Okay. Okay, it's trying.
I'll do, that was 100 steps, I'll do 10 steps.
Can I go here? No. Go back to 100. Oh shit.
If you give it assistance on the arm.
Okay, go 100 steps again. Again. It's rotating. It is rotating.
It's turning, but the drive shaft, so the motor is turning and the motor coupling is turning, but the little shaft where the flat is not turning. Well, the shaft that's connected to the motor coupling is not actually turning that. So there is enough power there.
When you say shaft, it's not
So
the
you've
shaft
got-
that's coming out of
So
the
you've got a shaft, you've got the output
Yes.
shaft.
it's
you-
motor one.
Just look down, look at. Dude, where's the freaking light?
You can check this little guy here. So you can't see my hand. Just the guy behind there.
Yeah.
You can see when it comes around, you'll see it's rotating. So it might just be a Yeah. Might just be a grub screw that I need to.
It's weird. The whole thing's moving like diagonally.
Yeah, because it's. Okay.
It's not turning. Nothing is turning.
Yeah, so that's fine because there's
Quite a lot of weight on that.
What if we? What if you give it
Just
assistance?
slowly, I just slowly bring it up. Yeah, that's fine. But then just.
You hold it from there.
Okay.
I'll forward.
Yeah. Yeah. It's.
wait, do it again. No, it's definitely slipping badly on it. I don't know why.
Okay, so it needs to.
Just 1 second here. Oh my word. Okay, do it again.
That was back.
I know what's wrong. Wait. Give me an It's okay, you know. You see what happened?
What did you do?
It might help if the grub screws on the
Pulley is actually.
Oh my gosh. I'm not going to waste time, D.
Oh no. Okay, where's a? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to it. Do you have Allen key at an angle?
Allen key at an angle. Like this.
Yes. Yes, like that. But it's not small ones.
Oh, yeah. I've
At
got
an
a bendy
angle.
one.
You got a bendy one. Of course you do.
Fucking legend.
Got a bendy one.
I just need everyone that I'm picking up is either too big
how do you change this thing out?
Yeah. You do.
No, but I'm saying like to change it out to be.
This is just an in between, so you've got to put this. Where's that other one? Where's the one? It's got one that it was.
This one.
Yeah. So. Like this.
I'm glad to hear. It definitely sounds good.
Yeah.
so it doesn't but it's weird that the motor is actually turning, yes, it's the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
Okay, but now understand this. We've got to go.
To probably to quite a small size.
What size?
I don't know.
Well, yeah. You choose. I just.
Let's just see if I can get the right size first.
Oh my word. This is going to be interesting. Would help if it was the right freaking.
So the actual output shaft is.
Can you believe it?
I wonder if it wouldn't be better just to strip it and then tighten it properly.
Right, we are in there.
Where's my? Make sure everyone can see exactly what I'm trying to do. what I've got to do. What I try and do. He's like, well, that wasn't a very good design, was it? And I'm like, no, it wasn't. This is what it is.
Don't worry, none of that. This camera isn't live yet, so don't worry.
Okay, these things appear to be quite tight. Yeah. So, what I'm going to say is try give it a go again. No, go like 200. Oops.
200.
200 step. It's tuning. Try again.
I'm not sure which. Okay, this is back. And this is forward.
Good stop. Okay, just stop. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. There's too much weight on it.
Is that the issue?
There's too much weight, and either the shaft is not actually able to. It's not actually gripping the output motor shaft. Is not correctly transferring the rotation to the stepper motor. Well, from the stepper motor to the actual pulley. So there's that problem, right? Because there's probably too much weight actually, and there's not enough gripping force on it. So
And what size motor is that? That's a 23.
Yeah,
Oh no, no, that's not a.
that's a
Is
that's
that
a
the big one?
That's the big one, yeah. So that's got. So basically, it's not the power, because the motor is actually turning. It's more what's the weight that's on it. That's the problem.
But if the motor's turning, then where's it giving?
So what's happening? We've got this basically. Motor. Okay, so motor's yellow. Output shaft. Coupling. Right now, coupling is joined onto the output shaft. As the motor's turning, coupling standing still.
So it's not at the bottom; it's at the top.
What do you mean?
Is it slipping up? Where's
No, the motor is behind this.
But where's it joined to the arm?
It comes up.
Yeah,
So there's a belt that goes up here.
yeah.
Then it runs through bearings and it's onto another belt that's over here. So if you move here,
I
you'll
can
see
see the belts. I can see the belts.
see that belt moves.
Okay, so when you did it, what happened here?
Nothing, because I told you here by the if you put your finger underneath the
Yeah.
coupling, underneath the pulley, you can feel another metal coupling.
Yeah.
Right. There's also grub screws in there, and it's slipping on the shaft.
Okay.
All right.
So I've got to strip this thing back to that, and then I'll be able to test it at home and see what's going on.
The good, exciting news is that we were pretty straightforward, able to connect the motor at will. Like
At
it
will.
wasn't.
Nothing, no issues.
And this is exactly the same way you do it for all of it.
Okay. Now, I know now we will connect all of them like this, but then I'll just have to have a bigger breadboard here, right? And I can use extension wave cables, like these, like little jumpers, to add myself more. So I can connect all 7 if I wanted to, all at the same
you're
time.
gonna need to.
Yeah,
Yeah, that is what you're going to need to do.
yeah.
So yeah, we can think about that. I do have a bigger breadboard. Do you have a breadboard?
I have a bigger breadboard as well, but
Yeah.
if I maybe borrow one from you, it'll help.
Yeah, I do have. Let me get that now. It's actually here.
it's given us nice experience with how these ESP32s work though. Oh.
Yeah, I've definitely learned a lot.
We must, I know we went through some of the code there as well on how this thing works. Let's just recap.
I think let's just leave the web page as it is because it's still just motor 1, motor 2.
Yeah, no,
because then you've got fine control like
Yes.
that.
Yeah, you can control each
Um,
joint.
We can improve the interface once it's actually working.
Yeah. I'll change over to an industrial. See if I can get like a taper lock that actually locks onto the motor output shaft more securely. That would be better.
Okay. So
Well, what we can do, we can actually wire up this one and test it. This works here.
yeah.
But this does its thing, so that there's no issues there.
Yeah, so all you need to do there is just change that.
Correct.
Fantastic.
So I'll take the S-axis here out like that.
Oh, and
then
but it's the same motor.
It's the
isn't it?
same motor, yeah. So that. Watch it really quick. So we know that there's an issue there, and that's. But this is what this is. Is a fact-finding story. Okay. We need to test, make sure. Are they exactly the same every time? For everyone?
Yes.
What for the coils?
Yeah, I mean we assume that they built to factory standard, so as long as those are coil pairs,
Yeah, that
then
should be good.
it will, the red will always be A plus and the black will always be B minus, and then the other two will fit in.
How are we doing for time then?
It is just after 12.
Yes. 2 hours since I go then.
So actually, when you take this ESP32 with you now, this is all loaded on it, so it doesn't need to be connected to computer anything. You just connect that to the same Wi-Fi as the computer, and you go to robotarm.local, and it will bring up the interface.
Nice. Can I get all that? I need to get all that code and everything. It's just because I've got to start writing my report. Doing the whole bit. Yeah. So black. So what we've been one view on YouTube.
None of those fuckers joined us. No chats, no likes, no subscribes, no follows. Fuck all.
Fuck off. Zilch.
Yeah, so let's look at the analytics. Let's see.
It's too early though.
Oh, there were 5 views.
Seriously?
1 concurrence. Oh, at one point there were 3 people at the same time. Now there's 1.
Wonder who?
Probably shouldn't say.
I'm watching you.
No, she's very she's not shitting herself. She's saying, let me know when there's more to look at. I mean, Shantae, send a message to her, maybe give her a shout out. Give her a shout out, and then she'll be more
Come on, man. It's not much to look at because nothing's
Guys,
moving.
send us a WhatsApp message if you want to see more of this.
On today. What? How do the guys do it on YouTube and then say what? Subscribe now. Are we terrible?
Battery's not included.
Battery's not included, yeah. much is that?